Hello guys, so welcome back to this new video, and today we are going to analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty charts. So today on Tuesday we are analyzing these charts, and yesterday we got a critical level in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, and probably this is the reason why I want to share this analysis with you, and let's see how we can make most of it. So starting with Nifty, this is our Nifty chart, and Nifty we are looking at daily time frame, and as we can see in front of you, the all time high or a 52-week high which is at 18,604, and after that we are sliding. Since the month of October we are sliding down, so considerably main trend of the market is bearish, and in that bearish trend right now we feel that some important level, some support level is there for Nifty, and let us see if that support holds for next 2-3 days, and then if is moving into an upwardly direction, then we can always calculate the target, and basis that we can initiate the trades. So this is what Nifty's trend is. So I am considering the last bullish rally up till 18,144, and from those levels there is a shallow retracement. Now I just want to share a message with you which was shared on the growth model group yesterday. So this is yesterday's message at about 9:28 market opening. 16,150 is critical for Nifty. One can look for a support and follow up on bullish direction. I will avoid long trades here. We'll wait for bullish retracement to complete. Not in a hurry to trade anti-trend. So the message was clear at 9:28, and the level was also shared here in the live market. Now where does this level came from? Kya reason hai? So let us plot a Fibonacci tool here from this previous high to the previous higher low level, and we can see that currently the trend is at a 78% ka crucial level. Okay, so that 78% level itself works out to 16,194, and we are actually taking a low or a level which can be used as a stop loss level. So we are considering low of the day which is around 16,142, and let's keep a stop loss at around 16,150. Okay, so 16,150 can be one level where I want. Nice. Right, so this is 16,150 which is the level which we are taking into consideration. Now if we consider this level is going to sustain, then the bullish bias will be there, and what will be the target of that bullish bias? To make it simple, let's say if this is a critical level where we are finding support for the market, and from here if there is going to be a bounce, then you look for this low and this high, and of this total fall we are expecting to get a target of around 50% level. Even though 38% level will also be critical, which is 16,800. This level is also critical, and if we manage to break above this level, then and only then the target of 50%, which is 17,100, will get completed. But then both these levels are important, critical, and trade only on the basis of yesterday's highs taken out. See what is the logic again? Let's see if we go to hourly chart. For the Dow theory to change, we need a close above this level. So if we get a close above yesterday's high, which is at 16,403, that will be the level where you can initiate the trade. I'll just mark this line. And we are buying above this, buy above this. As this will be a Dow theory trend change ka signal. Okay. So this is one thing. Then there are two targets. Now what if scenario, if this low is not protected, 16,142 low is not protected, and then if we are headed towards bearish direction, then what will happen? Then very quickly we will see this level as an important support level, which is 15,671. But if we break below this level, then it is going to be a very difficult situation, a scary situation, and will be officially into a bearish territory. So that aspect you have to keep into your mind. Now similarly, the similar updates, the update in WhatsApp was shared yesterday, whereas the update on Instagram was shared today morning, right? This was shared today in the morning about an hour back before the market opens, and the levels were shared. The range was shared between 16,000 and 16,500, 34,000 and 35,000 for Bank Nifty. Critical level for Nifty is 16,150. Targets, previous targets which got completed. IT stocks are slated to bounce, and HDFC Duo looks promising for a short term bounce. So these are the updates shared on Instagram. You can follow Instagram Growth Module channel, and also Growth Module on Twitter also. This was shared about an hour back. So the level and a message is already for you, similar message, similar level. So you can feel free to follow us on Insta as well as Twitter. Coming back to Nifty. See guys, how do you see this analysis, and do let me know in the comment box how helpful this analysis to you, and if there are any questions with respect to the analysis that we are doing, please write to us in comment. Now coming to Bank Nifty, in Bank Nifty also the structure is similar, but at the same time the Bank Nifty retracement is kind of shallower as compared to Nifty. Nifty has a deep retracement about 78%, and here if we measure the retracement in case of Bank Nifty, the retracement is less than 78% and little lower than the 61.8%. So if we are sustaining at this level, that critical level for Bank Nifty is going to be 34,000. So we are looking at 34,000 for Bank Nifty, right? And if similarly, again, if we are below this, then this 32,000 level, 32,100 level will be critical. Below that will be officially in a bearish territory. But what if we survive the day, and what if we see a bullish bias from here? Then in that case, our target is going to be 50% level, which is again 36,300, and also 35,775. That is also an important level. So two targets that we are considering for a bullish trend, and for a bearish trend below that will quickly reach to 32,150. So this is a shortest analysis that I have done for this week, and this analysis is valid till Friday, okay? And the critical levels, keep these critical levels marked on your chart, and for now we are trading anti-trend. So whatever trades you are taking, just ensure that you are trading on the intraday basis unless the Dow theory changes on hourly time frame. Thank you everyone. I am signing off. See you soon in one similar video. Thank you so much.